I'm Ethan Kwan, and today I'm going to be showing you what the Pythagorean theorem is. So the Pythagorean theorem, as many of you know, is a squared plus, and then b squared is equal to c squared. Okay, so a squared plus b squared equals c squared. This is the Pythagorean theorem, right? Okay, so let's try and prove this. Let's try and prove that this is true. Okay, so like all proofs, we're going to start with a right triangle. So this is C, here's the A, here is A, whoops, here is A and B. Right? So the formula tells us that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now, one sec. We are going to draw B as right here. This is B. And you know what? Straight line tool. And finally, C is going to go there. So let's just draw those in. So, like that. There's C. Here's A. Okay, so now let's try and find. This angle. Oops. Now let's try and find this angle. It looks like something. Let's just try and find if it is really that something. So, what we're going to do is find this angle right here. Oh yeah, this is a 90. That is a 90. So this angle, let's just call x. Then this angle, since the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees, this must be 90 minus x, and this must be also x. And since this is 180 degrees, what we're going to do is we are going to so here, x plus our question mark plus 90 minus x is equal to 180 degrees, right? Oops, 90 degrees minus x. So we're gonna first subtract 90 from both sides. Then you get x plus question mark. Actually, let's rearrange it a little. So, actually, no, it's okay. X plus question mark plus, minus x is equal to 90. Okay. So now we are going to, these two cancel out because it's negative x and x. So we get question mark is equal to 90. Yay. So now we have proved, well, I'll just draw these in. Now we have proved that this is a 90-degree angle. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is draw this length right here. So now we get a parallelogram, and let's try and find the area of this parallelogram. I mean trapezoid. We have made a trapezoid, and we are going to try and find the area of a trapezoid. Wait one sec. Straight line tool. Yay! Let's see. Let's start by trying to find the area of a trapezoid. So a trapezoid, the area is equal to, so this trapezoid in particular, so it is equal to the height times the two parallel sides divide by 2, or times 1/2. So we are going to draw that in. So you know what? I am going to move this a little. Okay, so now we have moved it over here. Over here. So, now, let's try and find the area of this. Uh-oh. Go down a little. I guess I have to move this too. Okay, there we go. Okay, so let's try and find the area of this trapezoid. So the area of a trapezoid is the height times the two of these times 1/2 the two of these. So, so what we're going to do is we are going to put A plus B times 1/2 AB. Okay, so that is the area of this. Now let's try and find the area just using the component parts. So, what we're going to do is we are going to add up each of these sides. So here, I'm going to add up this, add this up. So all of these we have to add up. So the formula for the area of a triangle is the height, 1/2 height times base. So that's what we're going to do. So the area of this triangle up here, is equal to AB, 1/2 AB. But there are 2 of them. See? There are 2 of them. So 1/2 and 2, they both cancel out. So you get AB times 1/2 C squared, because, well, you have to multiply both sides, so C squared, 1/2 of that. So 1/2 C squared plus 1/2 C squared, so we have to add. Whoops, too far. Let's try that again. Okay, so AB plus 1/2 C squared. That is our formula, and of course both of these are equal because they're the same area, right? Okay, so let's take these 2 formulas down, bring them down here. Okay. And let's make them so you can actually see both of them. Move that over there. And then put equals. Okay, so now let's try and simplify this equation, and hopefully it gets us to something that looks like this. Okay, so I really don't like these 1/2s hanging around, so let's try and get rid of them, okay? So the easiest way to do that is, actually first let me change this side. So that we are going to do this. Combine the ABs. So we're going to delete that and you're going to add an AB squared. Whoops, wrong color. Squared. Okay, so here's the simplified left-hand side. And now we're going to simplify this right-hand side. So just copy it down. Copy and paste. These 2 are equal. And now let's try and simplify this side. So first, well, there's not much to simplify here, so let's just do that. Okay? So we are going to multiply both sides by 2. So these 2 cancel out. And multiply this side by 2. So these cancel out. But remember, we have another term right here. What are we going to do with it? Well, then, we are going to multiply. We're going to get 2AB. So get rid of that, and write a 2AB plus C squared. Now, And don't forget the equal sign. Okay, now let's just move the C a little teeny tiny bit closer. There we go. Okay, so now we get a plus b squared plus 2ab plus c squared. You know what? We don't even need the brackets anymore, so let's get rid of them. And move it a teeny tiny little bit closer. Because it's really cute, right? Not really. And then move this a little bit closer. Okay, so we get a plus b squared plus 2ab plus c squared. Now we are going to try and simplify this side. Whoops. We're going to try and simplify this side. Whoops. We're going to try and simplify this side by using FOIL. So, FOIL. So, FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, and last. Oops, I don't even have to write that out. FOIL, F-O-I-L. First, outer, inner, last. So, how do you see the first? Well, the first, here. I'll show you in expanded form. It's easy to see in expanded form. Copy and paste. Why did it always go there? Copy and paste. And remember, AB squared is the same thing as a plus b times a plus b. So now we're going to use FOIL. So FOIL stands for first. So first, we are going to multiply the first. So a squared. And then the outer, a times b. AB. A times b is AB. And then, if we do the inner, BA, AB, so it's going to be AB plus AB, which is just 2AB. Okay, a squared plus 2AB plus last. Last is b times b, which is just b squared. So let me just write b squared plus b squared, and that is equal to, oops, that is equal to just the right hand side, which is copy and paste. You should know this by now. It's equal to 2ab plus c squared. Now, you might see where this is going. Home stretch. Finally. What we're going to do is we are going to subtract 2ab from both sides. Yay, home stretch. Copy and paste. Subtract 2ab. Paste. Subtract 2ab. So, and I'll just add the minus signs. Minus. And we get a squared, copy, paste, plus b squared is equal to c squared. Yes, we got our result. So, if you want to check, copy. That's the first thing we want to try and prove. Paste. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Yes! We did it, guys! Nice! Woohoo! Yay! Wow, it's so exciting. Wow. Yeah. Yay. Woohoo. Okay. Anyway. See you at howtodostuff.com. And bye. And you just watched the time lapse of what we just did. Yay!